Hi and welcome to Cooks Upholstery. Today we're looking at a Porsche late model, and we are going to be doing a driver's backrest bolster insert panel on this car. It doesn't show much wear here, and it doesn't honestly have that much wear, but the new owner did wish to change it out for the little bit that it does have. So we're going to be taking the seat apart and changing out the damaged panel and then putting it back together. In and out in a day's time, small repair, something we do on a regular basis. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the video.